Yo, what's up guys? Andy from Tab Lab here, back at it with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 1097 in a row. We're here on Cash App, the app that we use for this experiment. If you aren't familiar with this app, definitely check out the hundreds of tutorial and experiment videos on my channel. You can also get $5 for free by signing up with the link in the description. So getting into it, Bitcoin killing it today, up 10%. Current Bitcoin price $40,406. I have $3,753 in my balance. We're up about 9.2% on the week, still down 11% on the month, up only 7% over the past 365 days, so mostly going sideways here for about a year, but that's coming off of a big run up right here. Also added the coin market caps over here so we can get an overview as we watch this experiment over time, kind of what's in the top 10, what's doing well, what isn't. In some quick news today, like $320 million was stolen from a Solana ETH bridge. Absolutely crazy. I think it was like 80,000 ETH or something like that. Bitcoin returns to 40K, liquidating over $50 million of shorts in hours. You already know, I don't suggest doing shorts or longs or leverage trading or anything like that. Just keep a simple dollar cost average. That's what we do here. Another big thing in the news, something about crypto taxes. They won't be taxing crypto. I don't want to get into that. Do your own research on that because I'm not an expert in that area. Just sounds like good stuff. Current Bitcoin owned 0.09290036. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my face. It's gonna give us our order details and tap confirm just like that. I've purchased $1 more of Bitcoin. That easy on the Cash App. Now current Bitcoin owned 0.09224338. Slowly working our way up there. I guess the next big milestone would be 0.1 Bitcoin for us, so that's pretty dope. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $3,752 divided by 1,097 days equals a 3.42x on my investment. Still doing very well with the dollar cost average method. What this means, every dollar that I've put into this experiment over the 1,097 days in a row is now turned into $3.42. And that'll do it for today. Just a quick one. I hope you guys enjoyed this update. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.